Hi, my name is Alex. Join us here at Hilton Nottingham for a one-night stay. I think the hotel used to be part of the actual station part, which has now been knocked down, but it's all kind of hidden under the bus station here. And Ronan's already checked in online, so yeah, come with us now as we go inside. That's quite a lengthy queue for the lifts. Don't you think, Ronan?
Yeah, it's don't take it off, so it'll mess up with the sound. But yeah, it's certainly a long queue for lifts, and this is something we noticed before. Only one lift in the building. I think it's a bit of a shortfall. But the lobby seems new.
I think one benefit we said last time was that they had drinking water available just to the left of the lifts, I guess, just given how long it takes. Oh, perfect. That's very hidden, isn't it? Squeeze in, yeah.
Yeah, so there is two lifts, which I didn't realise. Did you?
I didn't realise now until the guy actually proactively pointed us over to the other lift. It wasn't very well signposted. 8 persons in this lift. I mean, in all honesty, I think 4, 5, maybe at a push with luggage. We were on the 6th floor last time, but it was really horrendous. Like, you have to go up some additional stairs, so we've picked a room on the 5th floor this time round. Don't know what room we're in, but
Join us in the room.
join us in the room.
Oh,
It's me.
and his costume change.
Well, we did record the video, so just gosh, a lot of noise. Did record the video, but the mic that we had didn't work, and it was all in silence. So we're gonna have to do it all again. So hopefully we can remember. So we'll start back in the bedroom, and we'll come back to the
Well, we
bathroom.
don't start here,
Okay,
actually.
we'll start.
We might as well.
Yeah. Okay. So my luscious legs. So in the shower, looking at the shower, a lot cleaner than when we previously stayed here. The last time we stayed here, there was so much lime scale everywhere, but it doesn't seem too bad. Alex has spotted a few pubes.
I mean, they are quite noticeable. Like, they're not teeny little ones.
Yeah. But again, not to be fussy, and this is really picky, the grout is just that yellow, and I don't really like it. I think it's a bit dirty.
I think just the tap's weird having it this side, but I guess it's where the pipe is. One other thing I noticed was one toilet roll, and it's like
Half.
really thin. Like you can see my hand through there on the camera.
Okay.
It's like one POI. POI? Ply?
Yeah, fine.
One ply. Anyway, into the main room now we go.
So into the room, marking everywhere, and this was the same in the last room. There's just marks everywhere. I don't know what people do when they come to Nottingham, but they're clearly running around the room marking it. TV, sort of, what would you say, 50-inch? I think
Big
50
enough.
inch. Big enough.
Big enough, yeah.
So yeah, you've got your little. If you want to take a seat in the room, you can sit here. I don't know what you might want to sit there, but anyway, 'cause there's only 2 people in here. Something to note: it's an old building, as Alex said. It's just a really weird space here. Just nothing here, but mould. Okay, I didn't see that. Yeah, that's mould.
Yeah, it is. Look at it down there as well. That's really noticeable.
Well, yeah, so that's not great. And I know it's an old building, but I've stayed in a lot of old buildings that are now hotels, and they don't have mould everywhere. Again, something that happened in the last room, the blind has come out of the casing and they've just left it. Like, at least install a normal blind if you're not going to keep the upkeep up on the ones that are over. Do you like the view, Alex, better than the last time? I think the view's better than the last time.
I think the view would have been good last time if we didn't have the Victoria Shopping Centre in the way. But I mean, we can see McDonald's, the car park. It's an okay view, I guess. I suppose if you want to people spot, I suppose you can. One thing we noticed, so there's canned water in the room, but
Still.
we both have a preference for still. So I've nabbed the still one.
Yeah, and no, I won't have that.
We have to. I forgot where I went. I went somewhere once and they said, "Oh, you can make it still by shaking it." And there you go, you've got still water or something. But I asked for still.
Yeah, I'm alright, thank you. I can give facial treatments apparently. £35 that might be. I'm joking. And apparently it's City Bliss. That sounds like something else. It doesn't sound like a nice 4-star hotel spa. City Bliss sounds sort of something on a back street. Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, mould down here that you can't really see. Something I do like here. USBs at the power sockets, and plenty of lights. I think this has got to be the most lights in a hotel room. Literally lights everywhere. Lights galore. That didn't work. So.
These don't pull out either, but
They're not drawers.
yeah. Is that a bit of dirt? Again, we're being really, really picky in terms of
But I think
dirt.
if you book this in certain times of year, it's about £240 a night. And £240 a night is not great. Some more marking here.
Clearly someone sat on that and it just came away. I think obviously being from Nottingham in terms of hotels in the city centre, there's not that many which are of a high standard, so perhaps they get away with charging that room rate which Ronan mentioned. Some markings here where I guess someone like me has probably had the suitcase and just got scratched it on the way out.
But you haven't scratched it.
Yeah, I haven't scratched it just for the avoidance of doubt. Again, for some reason there's different mugs, I don't know why, but anyway.
And something I found really cheap was I'll use that as a light.
There we go.
The kettle has water in.
How much water?
That's 600 mil. So it's not even a little dribble.
Yeah, that's quite a lot.
If you just you can tell that's got something in it, and I don't like that. I don't even use kettles, it doesn't bother me, but if I did, I wouldn't want to use it now. Again, round to the other side, drawers that don't open, bit of artwork. Is that Nottingham?
Yeah.
They have these everywhere in state. Oh, there's a train there. Yeah. Address Nottingham. Okay, that is nice. Something I haven't looked at.
What's happening here? Oh, it is actually literally peeling away.
Yeah, that'll be the damp. I suspect that's the issue with an old room.
Yeah.
Is that
They have recently refurbished this as well.
So dread to think what it'll be like in a couple of years. So wardrobe, again, just your BAU wardrobe. Something I don't like, there's no light. And it's a dark, there's no like ceiling light, so it's quite a dark wardrobe. Sort of not for me, I know what I'm wearing, but if you're a bit spontaneous with what you wear and you have multiple items, you wouldn't see it. There is a safe and a fridge.
Let's have a look at the drawers. We've got hair dryer up there, an empty drawer for only a little bit.
Soft clothes.
Soft clothes as well. And
Fridge and a safe.
And a safe.
Yeah, so that's it. And there's again, you've got plenty of places to store your luggage, so I think that is quite good. So we just went to get a room key so we could get in. Some disappointing news.
Yeah, it's currently.
Also, it's going to be dark while I am. So a little bit of a disappointing news. Basically, the pool's closed due to chlorine levels, but it didn't say that on the app, and you get messaging on the app, so wouldn't you just message all your guests to say the pool's closed?
I don't know, but I guess we didn't check in at the desk, so maybe that was why.
But yeah, so
or maybe not many people use the pool.
No, so you won't get to see the pool because I won't be going tonight. So I guess maybe tomorrow if we get a late checkout. Yeah, if we get a late checkout, we might do it tomorrow. But that's just one other thing to add to the review.